When it comes to launching a new product on Amazon, there are 5 key things that will determine whether your product succeeds or struggles to gain traction. In this video, I'll walk you through these 5 things every Amazon seller needs to focus on before, during, and after launch to build long-term success. Real quick before we jump into it, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media, and we create high-converting photo and video content for Amazon sellers with the goal of increasing click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall increasing the return on ad spend. We also help with email marketing and ad management for Shopify-focused brands. If you want a free Amazon listing audit or a free Amazon listing checklist or a bunch of other PDF digital downloads that we have, then head over to emaamz.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and book a free Zoom call with me. Now, let's dive into these 5 things that matter most. Number 1, product photos and videos. Your photo and video content is the most important factor in your launch success. You should have multiple white background main images ready to split test so you can find the version that gives you the highest click-through rate. Then you're going to want to invest in professionally graphic designed lifestyle and infographic images for your main images and your A+ content. Also, you're going to want to have at least 3 to 5 videos ready before launch. 2 videos could be feature and benefits videos, 1 could be a setup tutorial or a step-by-step explanation video, 1 could cover why you're better and different than the competition, and 1 could be a UGC-style review testimonial video. Once you have all those videos, you can then play around with them and edit short clips of those videos that you can run as ads or put them in your Premium A+ content section. These videos are going to build trust, significantly boost conversions, and help you dominate the search results when used in sponsored brand video ads. Number 2, get brand registered. This is a big one, and you're going to want to do this at the same time as while you're creating all this content. Without brand registry, you can't post A+ content, you can't add a brand story section, you can't upload a video, you can't make a storefront, you can't do a lot of things. So all you need to do in order to get brand registered is to go and register for a trademark, get it pending, and then show Amazon that it's pending. So do this early and ASAP. Once Amazon has approved and you're all good there, then you unlock Amazon Posts, brand analytics, and all of the other things that I talked about. Basically you have more creative control over your listings and your Amazon brand. It's a simple step that gives you massive leverage when it comes to marketing and scaling your brand. Number 3, have a big PPC budget. Launching on Amazon without a PPC budget is like trying to drive a car without a tank full of gas. You're not going to get far. You have to feed the algorithm data. For your first 3 months, go in expecting to lose money on each sale, and that's okay, that's perfectly normal. Then you can add coupons or small discounts to boost those conversions and make it more of an impulse buy for people. You're going to want to push as many sales as possible and collect rank-worthy data. Those early sales are going to drive your organic rank, keyword indexing, and your review momentum. Remember, your first inventory run isn't about making a profit. It's about positioning your brand for long-term organic growth. Number 4, build your brand story and other sections. Content is key on Amazon now more than ever. Take the time to create a cohesive brand story section, a storefront with videos and a lot of content, A+ content, preferably premium A+ content. You start with basic, you get 5 to 10 basic A+ sections approved, then you can apply for premium, and then you're going to want to split test video ads. This is where you show customers that you're not just a product, you're a real brand they can trust. Hire small creators or micro influencers to shoot UGC content that looks authentic and relatable. Use those clips in your Amazon listing, storefront, Premium A+, and Amazon posts. If you can drive traffic from outside platforms like TikTok or YouTube to your Amazon listing, then Amazon is going to reward you by boosting your ranking and overall making things happen more affordably for you. Like your PPC ad costs will go down, and overall if people are searching branded keyword phrases, then it's going to help you out. And lastly, number 5, collect data and feedback. Don't guess. Use tools like PickFu to test your label, packaging, product titles, or main images before launch, during launch, and after launch. PickFu is going to speed up that split testing process, so you don't have to just wait for that data to come in from Amazon. You can go and poll a bunch of people. It's kind of like a focus group, and you can get that data a lot quicker on what people are thinking about your label, packaging, and all those things. Then you're going to want to join the Vine program to get some legit reviews fast. The more feedback and data you can gather early on, the faster you can pivot and improve your offer. Data beats ego 100% of the time. So to recap, focus on your content, get brand registered, invest in PPC at a massive level, build your brand story, and gather as much data as you can. Do these 5 things right, and you'll build a strong Amazon foundation that compounds month after month. If you want help creating high-converting photos, videos, and ads for your Amazon listing and your overall Amazon business, then visit emaamz.com to book a free Amazon listing audit. On the call, I'll show you how to increase your CTR and your conversion rate, and you'll also get our free Amazon listing checklist, our organic ranking roadmap, and our product launch guide. These are all PDFs that you can download for free. Again, that's at emaamz.com. So go there, book your Zoom call, and check out our portfolio, learn about all the different services that we offer, and how we can overall help you launch stronger and scale faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.